Hi there, I'm Miss Jackson and I'm Head of Art here at the Beacon School, and today I'm joined by Mr. Elfie here, who's going to help me to make a Christmas garland. So we're going to make our garland in the shape of a little tomtit. Our garland's going to be made out of things that you can find around the house, such as a cereal box or some pens and scissors, glue and bits and pieces to decorate your garland. We're going to open this flat and we'll create the shape, and then we're going to cut out some shapes. Now I'm going to show you a starting point, and the shape's going to be like this teardrop. A good idea would be to use this cardboard cup, and if I just make a little squeeze in the top, I can make like a symmetrical teardrop shape like that. And I'm going to place it down as a kind of template on top of my cardboard, and I'm going to draw around this. So I'm squeezing and I'm holding it in place and drawing right round like that. And now Elfie, if you wouldn't mind just cutting that out for me. Brilliant, well done Elfie, that's really good cutting, lovely. So we've got to make now however many you would like onto your garland. So I've got 4 on here. You could make a garland of 6 or maybe even more. So I'm just going to show you how to do one, and then you can do some more. The next bit is to draw your design on, and I've just done this simple design where we've got a hat, a beard, and then I've added on some different patterns onto the hat. And I think that design looks quite good. So we're going to add some colour to our garland shape now. I'm going to use Posca pens. I really like these pens. They're acrylic markers and they will go over the cardboard really nicely. It doesn't matter if you haven't got Posca pens, you could use just normal felt tip pens, or you could use some just colouring pencils, or even you could use collage, so you could stick on different types of paper. That would look really good as well. Okay, so Elfie, you're going to help me. And now we're going to add the red colour. So I'm just going to colour that in nice and neatly, following my lines. I'm now going to decorate my tomtit. I'm going to put a little nose on, and I'm just going to use a little bauble, and also I'm going to put a little bauble on the hat as well. I'm going to use a green one this time, but I just need a bit of glue just on the nose. I'm going to stick that on like so. And that's nearly ready. Now I could decorate it a bit further. I could put a bit of glitter on. If we wanted to put a bit of glitter on the hat, put a little bit of glitter in my hand and then just sprinkle that on. Maybe some wool or maybe some ribbon. I've chosen a bit of wool here, and also I've attached some little beads on as well. You can attach this on, thread my bead through. You might need a bit of help with this, like that. And now I need to attach this. Now I'm going to make 2 little holes here and here, just so I can thread my my wool through. Now this is a bit tricky, you might also need a bit of help with this. How I do this is I get a bit of glue tack and I get a sharp pencil, and I'm going to make 2 little holes through, just below the hat. So nice big holes like this, 1, and then we're going to thread through. Thanks, Elfie.